Good afternoon, student. Today going to revise the chapter Unit 2 Geography, Climate and Natural Vegetation of the India. So choose the correct answers. Meteorology is the science of weather. We wear cotton during what is the time? Summer. Western disturbance causes rainfall in what is the place? Punjab. Dash helps in quick refining of the mangoes along the coast of Kerala and Karnataka. The place is mango showers. Dash is the time joining the places of the equal isoheights. The answer is isoheights. Climate of India is labeled as tropical monsoon climate. The monsoon forests or otherwise is called deciduous forest. Dash forests are found about 2400 meter Himalayas alpine forest. Prism of alpine forest. The Sesa-Chalam Hills in a biosphere reservoir is situated in Andhra Pradesh. Dash is the part of the World Network Biosphere Reserves of the UNESCO. This place is Nilgiris. So next, match the following. Project Elephant. The correct answer is Project the Elephant. And biodiversity hotspot. The correct answer is the Himalayas. Northeast monsoon. The correct answer is October to November. And tropical thorn forest is the correct answer. Desert and semi-desert vegetation. Coastal forest and littoral forest. And next is the consider the given statement and choose the correct option from the given below ones. Monsoon are the complex meteorological phenomena, and meteorologists have developed a number of the concepts about the origin of monsoon. The correct answers both A and or true or explanation A. This is correct answer A. The Himalayas act as a climatic barrier. The Himalayas prevent cool winds from the Central Asia and keep the Indian subcontinent warm. So correct answer both A and or true or explains A correct. So A is correct answer. Choose the inapparative answer. The tidal forests are found in the around what the place ma desert. Climate of the India is affected by what is that? Soil. So next is the answer in briefly. First question, define meteorology, explain and write what is the mean by normal lapse rate. And third one, what are the jet streams. And fourth one, write a short note, monsoon wind. And fifth one, name the 4 distinct seasons of India. And sixth one, what is the burst of monsoon. And seventh one, name the areas which receive heavy rainfall. And eighth one, state the places of the mangrove forest in India. And ninth one, name the trees of tropical evergreen forest. And 10th one, you want to write any 5 biosphere reservoirs in India. You want to filter right biosphere reservoirs and which is the state will be there. You connected with the biosphere reservoir. That state also you want to write. And 11th one, what is the project Tiger? What is the mean by the project of Tiger? And next is the distance between weather and climate, tropical evergreen forest and deciduous forest. And next the northeast monsoon and southeast monsoon. And the 7th one, Roman letter, give a reason for the following topic. First, the western coastal plain is narrow. Why they call the western coastal plain is narrow. And second, the reason India has the tropical monsoon. What does that mean? And third one, mountains are cooler than in the plains. What is the reason for the mountains are cooler than the plains? So detail you want to write about the southwest monsoon. Describe the forest of India. And next, last one, write the names of the biosphere reservoirs and their location will be where they are available in the states of India. Understood, student? Thank you.